So just imagine upgrading to a new iPhone and discovering that important photos, messages, or memories are missing. Whether it happened after a factory reset, device damage, or an accidental wipe, many people assume their data is just gone forever. But what if that data still exists in an iCloud backup? With the new iCloud backup recovery feature in Dr. Phone version 13.9, users can securely access iCloud backups, preview recoverable files before purchase, and selectively recover the data that they need, without even having to reset their iPhone. In today's video, we're going to explore how iCloud backup recovery works and why previewing recoverable files before paying for anything can make the recovery process faster, easier, and much more transparent. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Starting off with part 1, understanding iCloud backup and why it matters. Now before we look at the recovery process, it's helpful to understand one important fact. iCloud backups are different from the files currently stored on your iPhone. When iCloud backup is enabled, Apple periodically creates snapshots of your device that can include photos, messages, app data, settings, notes, voice memos, and so much more. That means that even if something is missing from your current iPhone, an older version may still exist inside a previous backup. Now this can be especially helpful if family photos were just accidentally deleted, important messages just disappeared after switching devices, your iPhone was factory reset, or if something else just ended up happening to your current device, or if older files were lost during an upgrade. In many of these situations, the missing data may still be recoverable through an iCloud backup snapshot. And that's exactly what Dr. Phone is designed to help users discover, which leads us straight into part 2. Dr. Phone iCloud Backup Recovery Overview. Now traditionally, recovering data from iCloud backups has been frustrating because Apple only allows users to restore entire backups directly onto an iPhone. This process can take time and might overwrite data currently stored on the device, but this software actually lets you preview the content that is recoverable before you even purchase anything, which is actually pretty huge. Now Dr. Phone offers a more flexible approach by allowing users to access backup snapshots directly. It supports up to 5 Apple IDs, and like I said, preview recoverable data files before actually buying anything. And for this, you only select the files that you actually want to restore to your device, and you can even recover files directly to your computer. And this helps you avoid resetting your iPhone altogether. Now, one of the biggest advantages over here is going to be transparency. Instead of wondering whether recovery is even possible, users can check recoverable files first so that users can make informed decisions. Now, here's exactly how the iCloud backup recovery workflow works. First things first, download and install Wondershare Dr. Phone on your Windows or Mac computer. Then open that software and select Data Recovery. Choose Recover Data from iCloud. Log into your Apple ID securely through Dr. Phone. Because account security is important, Dr. Phone uses a secure login process and supports Apple's two-factor authentication system. Throughout this recovery process, users should always keep personal information protected and ensure that sensitive account details remain private. So just complete Apple's two-factor authentication, verification. Then Dr. Phone retrieves your available iCloud backup snapshots. Then all that you have to do is just choose backup snapshot that you want to scan. Download that backup data securely. Preview all recoverable files before purchase. And then choose the files that you want and recover them directly to your PC. This process is designed to be simple, transparent, and beginner-friendly while avoiding the need for a full device restore. So let's get into part 3, recoverable data types explained. One reason why iCloud backups are so valuable is because they often contain much more information than users realize. Many people think that backups only store photos and contacts, but iCloud backups can contain years of personal information, app data, and even conversations. Dr. Phone can recover many types of data from these backups, which do include photos, videos, contacts, messages, notes, WhatsApp chats and attachments, even line conversations, Viber chats, voice memos, call recordings, Safari data, app documents, calendar data, and so much more. This makes the feature extremely useful not only for recovering personal memories, but also for restoring important business files, work conversations, and app data. So then for users who accidentally went ahead and deleted files months ago, older backup snapshots can sometimes recover information that no longer exists anywhere else. Whether you're searching for family photos that were recently deleted by some kind of mistake, recovering important messages after switching devices, or trying to retrieve files from a damaged iPhone, backup snapshots can provide a valuable second chance. In a moment, I'm going to show you why preview before purchase has become one of the most important advantages of Dr. Phone's recovery workflow, and how it helps users avoid unnecessary costs when searching for lost data. Now here we have part 4, why preview before purchase matters. One of the most frustrating parts of traditional recovery software is uncertainty. When you may spend time scanning a backup, purchase a recovery license, and only then find out that the files you're looking for are not available. Dr. Phone takes a more transparent approach. Before making a purchase, users can preview recoverable files and verify whether the data that they need actually exists inside the backup. For someone trying to recover irreplaceable family photos, important business documents, or years of conversations, that extra visibility can make a huge difference. Instead of guessing, you can see exactly what's recoverable first. It's one of the most valuable features of the entire recovery workflow. This approach provides you with several important benefits. You can confirm that your files still exist inside that backup. You can preview photos, messages, and documents before doing anything else. You can avoid paying for unsupported recoveries. You can recover only the files that you actually need for the record, not just a full blanket recovery, and you gain confidence before committing to recovery. Here's exactly how the process works. And now first things first, just scan the iCloud backup and allow Dr. Phone to process the snapshot. Browse recoverable categories, then preview individual files as needed. Verify that the data that you need is actually available. Complete recovery only if the files are recoverable. The preview before purchase workflow helps create a more transparent, lower risk recovery experience for users, which is very valuable. Now we've got part 5, why Dr. Phone stands out. There are many iPhone recovery tools available today, but users often look for more than recovery capabilities alone. When dealing with personal memories, conversations, and important files, trust and transparency matter just as much as technology. Dr. Phone has been in the business for over 14 years at this point and has a great Trustpilot rating to go along with it. Dr. Phone focuses on creating a recovery experience that is transparent, accessible, and beginner-friendly. And now some of the key advantages include previewing recoverable files. It supports multiple Apple IDs, AI chat box assistants, and live customer support as well. You even get access to previously downloaded backup data without downloading it again. A streamlined interface designed to guide users through each step, long-term software development and continuous updates, as well as a Trustpilot rating of 4.4. Rather than focusing only on technical recovery capabilities, Dr. Phone emphasizes visibility, convenience, and user confidence throughout the recovery journey. This combination of usability and transparency can be especially valuable when recovering irreplaceable photos, conversations, or business information. And here we have part 6, who should use iCloud Backup Recovery. This feature is useful for many different types of iPhone users. You should consider using iCloud Backup Recovery if you accidentally deleted important photos or videos, you lost your valuable WhatsApp conversations or messages, your iPhone became damaged or inaccessible, your device was factory reset, you upgraded to a new iPhone and lost older files, you just need access to historical data from previous backups, or you want to verify recoverable files before paying. Even if your current device no longer contains the missing data, older iCloud backup snapshots may still contain recoverable versions stored safely in Apple's cloud infrastructure. And that's pretty much it. Recovering lost data can be stressful, especially when it involves family memories, important conversations, or files that seem impossible to replace. With Dr. Phone's iCloud Backup Recovery feature, users can securely access backup snapshots, preview recoverable files before anything, and selectively recover the data that matters most without resetting their iPhone. Instead of guessing whether recovery is even possible, users can check recoverable files first and make informed choices before committing to anything, really. That combination of transparency, flexibility, and ease of use is what makes this feature stand out. Now try Dr. Phone iCloud Backup Recovery today and see what recoverable files may still be waiting inside your iCloud backups. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss future Dr. Phone tutorials and updates. Thank you for watching, and I will be seeing you on the next video.